My name is Jude Fitzgibbon. I'm the Centre Lead for Genomics and Computational Biology at the Barts Cancer Institute. I think we're a centre that comprises 9 different research groups, about 60 members of staff, and 15 PhD students. And typically we don't focus on a particular gene or pathway, but more so on the analysis of large data sets of information, either genetic or protein data that we've generated in-house ourselves, or that are available through different repositories around the world, with a view of teasing apart new information, new ideas on cancer, and better ways in how we can treat cancer going forward. The scope of the centre is really impressive because we've got groups working on blood cancer, but also several working on different solid tumours. Pre-malignancy is clearly a very important area, but also metastatic disease. And cancer evolution, where we can trace the evolution of cancer both from the pre-malignant stage all the way up to overt disease and beyond to more aggressive cancers, gives us a flavour of how disease evolves and different weaknesses that might be in the cancer at different stages of its development. So what exactly can an MSc student expect from their time in the laboratory? Well, each year we probably have about 10 or more MSc students who join the centre to undertake a variety of projects both within the laboratory itself and also specific dissertations on a wide range of subjects. For example, do you believe in precision medicine as the way forward for cancer therapy? Overall, I think what's important in my mind is that each student gets an idea, gets some experience of the scientific process. The idea and the brainstorming that goes into developing a project, identifying funding, what exactly will be the specific experiments that are required to develop a program and to answer a question, to write up a document in an effective fashion, and then to hopefully develop a manuscript. And I think it's also important that the MSc student finds a project and a supervisor that fits their own long-term ambitions. Do you want to be a bench scientist? Do you want to be a dry or computational researcher? Or do you not really know? And hopefully this experience is going to kind of highlight to you where your talents lie, where you're likely to work in the future. And of course, what's next? I think we also have to prepare the students, and we do, in relationship to helping them develop their curriculum vitae, their CV, their letters in relationship to applying for new positions. But clearly you can have a lot of fun along the way. You can develop, and importantly, develop different types of careers in science. So not only can you think about doing a PhD, also, we can guide you in relationship to things like other aspects like scientific writing, working for pharma, working in core services, providing more a technical role, or indeed using it as a stepping stone to lots of other careers, because in a way this is the Masters is a kind of a journey where you're working out what's next for yourself. I think the beauty about our centre is that we have this opportunity to offer both dry and wet lab experiences, specific projects. And in the first 6 months of your MSc, you'll probably meet a lot of the different researchers who are working in our centre who will be lecturing to you. So you can engage with them, you can talk to them, you can identify are they the types of do they have the types of projects, are they the types of researchers that would actually meet my own career goals and excite me as a new researcher. So I'd really like to say that I think that Barts Cancer Institute and the Genomics and Computational Biology Centre will be a fabulous place to work. And you can just call or email any of us at any time. We'd be very happy to discuss both the Master's programme and also the type of research that we do in the lab. The very best.